Want to build a real-time chat app using just Python? No frameworks, no databases, just sockets. Let's create a simple TCP chat app where multiple clients can send and receive messages in real time. One script for the server, one for the client. Let's get started. First, server.py. This script starts by importing the socket and threading modules. We create a socket object using AFINET for IPv4 and SockStream for TCP. Then we bind the server to a host and port, typically 0.0.0.0 to accept connections from any network interface, and a port like 5000 for communication. The server starts listening with server.listen, ready to accept client connections. We keep a list of connected clients so we can broadcast messages to all of them. There's a broadcast function that sends a message to every client in the list except the sender. Next is the handle client function. Each time a new client connects, this function runs in a new thread. It waits for messages from the client and calls broadcast to forward them. If the client disconnects or crashes, it removes that client from the list and closes the connection. Finally, there's the receive function. This is the main loop that keeps accepting new clients and launching a new thread for each one. We call receive at the bottom to start the server. This setup allows multiple clients to chat at the same time without blocking. Next, client.py. This file also starts with socket and threading. The client connects to the server using the same host and port as defined in the server. We define a function receive messages that keeps listening for messages from the server. It runs in its own thread, printing every message that comes in. The second function, send messages, waits for user input from the terminal and sends it to the server. This also runs in its own thread so the user can send and receive messages at the same time. At the bottom, both threads are started, first for receiving, then for sending. This lets the chat feel real-time and interactive. Let's run it. Step 1, open a terminal and start the server by running. Step 2, open 2 more terminals and run. Now imagine these are 2 people chatting with each other. Each of them has their own terminal window open, typing messages in real time. When one person types a message and presses enter, it instantly appears on the other person's screen. No delay, no refresh needed. The same happens in reverse. Both clients receive each other's messages seamlessly. It feels just like a real-time group chat, even though it's built with only a few lines of Python code. You can even expand this to support more users or add usernames to identify who's speaking. You've just built a fully functional, real-time, multi-client chat app using only Python sockets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real Python projects. See you in the next playlist.